Hello, beautiful people. The creative Susan created me. I love to shop at the local market. I also enjoy some warm sunshine at the park on a sunny day.
At the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your own prompt so that you can start creating your own videos as soon as possible. So listen up. The first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGTP, and we have just copied our prompt now. So after getting your prompt, you're going to head over to Gemini AI to generate the image that you're going to use for the video. Then we are going to paste our prompt here, and after pasting your prompt, you can like readjust it. Like this place that they said dark skin, I'm going to put chocolate skin. Okay, you can actually readjust your prompt to suit what you want. Okay, so after that, we are going to click on go. After making all the readjustments, we are going to click on go. So we are using Gemini AI to generate our image. And remember, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to get your own prompt, the easiest way that you can get prompts. So here is the image. Okay, so if we have gotten our image now, the next thing we have to do is to download the image, and it will save directly to our phone gallery. So once you tap on that image, it's going to download. So you're now going to head over to Grok AI. If you don't have Grok on your phone, you can download it from Play Store. So after downloading it from Play Store, you click on Imagine. That's Imagine that is at the top. Click on it. You select the image you want to use. So it's uploading now. So it has finished uploading. Once you upload the next thing you have to do is to type what you want the AI to say. Like I'm going to say, make her say. Then you put those signs I'm putting there. Make her say thank you, the creative Susan, for creating me. Okay, so you end it with the same sign. Then you're going to click on this. After doing it, you are going to click on review and click on custom. Then you hit on go. Then we are going to give it few seconds. It doesn't normally take much time. So this is, we are going to give it few seconds and then come back to see what the outcome is.
Thank you, the creative Susan, for creating me.
So as you can see, our video is ready.
Thank you, the creative Susan, for creating me
so well. So the next thing
Thank
you have to
the
do
creative
now
Susan,
is to download
for creating
it.
me.
Okay, just download it and save it on your. Once you click on download, it's going to save directly to your phone gallery so that you can post it, edit it, or merge it. You can download as many as possible because this Grok AI is unlimited. You can download as many as possible. So to get your own prompt, like you have a prompt, you don't have a prompt and you want to start from scratch, you can actually get an image, any image that is similar to what you want to generate. Okay, if you don't want to crack your brain much, this is one of the easiest way to do it. Then you go over to ChatGTP and paste exactly what I'm typing now. So you're going to type generate prompt from this image to use, and generate a similar image using Gemini. So I'm using Gemini. You can use any of the image generating app you want to use, and to get inspiration for your image, you can actually browse on Google to get it. Okay, for example, if you're into African folktale stories, so you want to generate African AI images and you need inspirations for them, just go over to your Google and type AI generated African images. Okay, so you can see series of them will come up, and click on images. Okay, so these are beautiful images that you can get prompts from and create your own. Look at this one now. If you want to create something similar, look at them. Look at this. You don't have to go and crack your brain to start getting prompts. Use the method I explained in this video. Shh. Use the method I explained in this video and get your prompt and start making your video with Grok AI. Then if you have any other images you want to create, like, just type it here and you're going to get the prompt using ChatGTP. Follow it step by step and it's going to be very helpful to you. Then if you found this video helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe for more helpful tips from the creative Susan.